Lysol's effectiveness in killing mold. Lysol is a well-known household disinfectant that claims to kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi. However, when it comes to mold, its effectiveness depends on various factors, including the type of mold and the surface it grows on. 1. Can Lysol kill mold? Yes, Lysol can kill mold on non-porous surfaces. Lysol products, especially those containing ingredients like quaternary ammonium compounds, ethanol, or hydrogen peroxide, can eliminate mold spores. However, it is less effective on porous surfaces like drywall or fabric where mold roots deeply. 2. Types of Lysol products for mold removal. Lysol offers several products that can help with mold. Lysol Mold and Mildew Remover, designed specifically to target mold and mildew with bleach. Lysol Disinfectant Spray kills mold spores on hard non-porous surfaces. Lysol Power Bathroom Cleaner, useful for bathroom mold. 3. How does Lysol kill mold? Lysol kills mold by breaking down its cell structure. The disinfectant's antimicrobial properties disrupt the mold's ability to grow and spread, especially on surfaces like tiles, sinks, and bathtubs. 4. Limitations of Lysol in mold removal. Lysol is effective on the surface level, but has limitations. Not for porous materials, mold in walls, carpets, or wood may persist. Doesn't address underlying causes. Mold will return if the moisture source isn't fixed. Limited effectiveness on black mold, Stachybotrys chartarum. Black mold often requires professional remediation. 5th, step-by-step guide to kill mold with Lysol. Wear protective gear, gloves, mask, and goggles. Ventilate the area. Open windows or use fans. Apply Lysol to the moldy surface. Use mold and mildew remover for best results. Let it sit. Allow it to sit for at least 10 minutes. Scrub the surface. Use a brush to remove mold. Wipe clean. Remove residue with a clean cloth. Dry the area. Prevent mold regrowth by keeping the area dry. 6. Mold prevention with Lysol. Regularly cleaning damp areas like bathrooms and kitchens with Lysol products can help prevent mold growth. Additionally, controlling humidity levels and fixing leaks are crucial. 7. Is Lysol effective against mold spores in the air? Lysol can kill airborne mold spores if sprayed directly on surfaces where spores land. However, it does not purify the air. Air purifiers with HEPA filters are more effective for this purpose. 8. Mold safety considerations. Never mix Lysol with bleach or other cleaning agents. For large mold infestations, contact a professional. Ensure the source of moisture is resolved to prevent regrowth. 9. Alternative mold removal methods. If Lysol isn't available or effective, use a bleach solution. 1 cup bleach to 1 gallon of water for non-porous surfaces. White vinegar or hydrogen peroxide can also work as natural mold removers. Lysol is a practical option for surface mold, especially in kitchens and bathrooms. However, addressing moisture problems and using professional services for extensive mold issues is essential for long-term mold control.